What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Epson 5050. This is brand new, and I got the first ones in the country. This is already a pre-sold unit that I had made an arrangement with the customer to do an open box. I do have another shipment coming in the next couple days. Give me a call. We do have a low price guarantee, nationwide free shipping on all of our products. Epson is a brand that we carry, but we also have Sony, JVC, and a few other off-brand projectors like Optima and BenQ and things like that as well. Now, I'm gonna get this unboxed, and I'm also gonna make a separate video that is gonna be a shootout between this and a old 5040 model that I actually have on demo, so we can compare and contrast the two. It's supposed to have a much better chipset in it and better color spectrum, as well as a slightly brighter bulb. So let's dig in and see what the housing looks like. First things first, we have a quick start guide. There's a warranty information in there as well. When you guys are purchasing your items online, make sure you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. If you buy something and say something goes wrong with the unit, the manufacturer will want to verify that the person that you bought it from is an authorized reseller. So with us, you will get a receipt, and we are authorized to sell Epson. Take a look at the unit itself. A few other things that are included. Looks like they haven't changed the remote at all yet, as well as we have batteries. Batteries here, the power cable to the unit, and this is the remote, same one they were using on last year's Home Cinema models, and then a little cable cover. So other than the unit, that's everything that's included. Okay, so this looks pretty much exactly like the old housing. This does have full 18 gigabit per second ports on it. See here on the back, they have HDMI 1 and 2, USB and service ports, LAN, PC, RS-232C, and a trigger out. And you got the power port down here. Advertisement here on top, 4K. Enhancement. This is eShift still, guys. This is not native 4K. Our first projector in the lineup that we would recommend for native 4K is going to be the Sony 295, which we do have in stock. And then the next level up from that is the JVC RS1000 or the NX5. We have the HDR Ultra Black levels, 3D. It is compatible with Control 4 and HDMI. Not sure really why they advertise that. Everything's HDMI now. This is 3 LCD technology. You have an IR sensor here on the back, as well as here on the front. Bolting position on top here. You have a lens cover, which is nice. I like that Epson does this. It just keeps the dust off of the unit It's lens when you're not using it. Filter is right here. I think that's about it. You have your bulb, which I believe is on top. Yeah, it's right here. This unit does not come with an extra bulb. One thing to keep in mind, we haven't received them yet, but they're due like mid-May, the Epson 6050 models, which we do have on pre-order. We'll have those available immediately. And that will come with an extra bulb, as well as a mount and a longer warranty. This has a 2-year. The 6050 will have a 3-year. That's an overview, an unboxing. Let me give you guys a close-up view of the unit. We do have mounts available if you guys need that. We can ship it out with the unit. There's the side controls, your power source, arrows, menu, lens. This projector does have lens shift motorized, which is really nice for easily getting your alignment done. I just confirmed with Epson, this actually has a 1,000,000:1 contrast, and they advertise that the 6050 will have a 1,200,000:1 contrast, slightly better. This is 2,600 lumens versus last year's 5040 is 2,500 lumens, so it is a little bit brighter. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy fired up and plugged in, get it up on a demo with a 4K Blu-ray, see if it will stand up to last year's model and how it performs. All right, guys, that is the unboxing of the brand new Epson 5050. This isn't even up on Epson's website yet. We're also going to have the Epson 6050 in mid-May is what they're telling us right now. So keep an eye out for that guy. If you would like to purchase the 4050 or the 6040 or last year's 5040, we still have those available as well. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.